Like, subscribe, and get notified.
Advocate Jitendra Gavkar and Ugam Devilkar delivered informative talks to the students, focusing on cyber law and the Cool Munkari Law Act. Advocate Gavkar elucidated on cyber crimes and their illegality under the Constitution, highlighting relevant laws for addressing such offences. Meanwhile, Ugam Devilkar emphasized the lack of awareness among Munkars regarding the Goa, Daman and Diu Munkars Protection from Eviction Act 1975, which safeguards the rights of Munkars.
Goa, Daman and Diu Munkar Protection from Eviction. हे कितें सांगता तुमकां? एक्टूच कितें सांगता? प्रोटेक्शन फ्रॉम एविक्शन ऑफ मुणकार. तेका लागून हो एक्ट काडलो. कित्याक लागून आतां एक्ट काडलो? जे आमचे पयलीं लोक जे भाटकारा कडेन नाल्यार भाटकाराचे हितून प्रॉपर्टीनी काम करताले, चडशे आमचे एग्रीकल्चर लेबरर्स, रायट? आमचे सगळे एग्रीकल्चर लेबरर्स आसले. ते काम करताले भाटकाराच्या जाग्यान. दे वर द टेनंट्स, रायट? आनी तेंच्यांनी एक घर कन्स्ट्रक्ट केलें. मागीर जावपाक कितें लागलें? वेन आफ्टर लिबरेशन ऑफ गोवा तेंचे एक्सप्लॉयटेशन जावपाक लागलें. म्हटले जे थोडे भाटकार आसले, दे वर डॉमिनेटिंग देम, की बाबा तुम्ही हे काम करूकूच जाय, तुम्ही अशें करूकूच जाय, तुम्ही तशें करूकूच जाय, नाल्यार आमी तुमकां घरांच्यान भायर काडटले. एंड दे वर हॅविंग नो, बिकॉज देर वॉज नो लॉ टू प्रोटेक्ट देम. तांकां कांय कायदो नासलो प्रोटेक्ट करपाक. तेका लागून ड्यू टू दॅट इमर्जन्सी सिच्युएशन, to protect the exploitation of Munkars, the act, the Munkar Protection from Eviction, was implemented in Goa.
The rise of the 21st century marked the evolution of cyber law in India with the Information Technology Act 2000. Cyber law regulatory framework under the Information Technology Act in India enacted the Information Technology Act 2000 on June 9, 2000. The IT Act now become the law of land in India, which is generally termed, is also known as cyber law. To know the cyber crime and the protection measure, you have to glance what is the Information Technology Act 2000. The cyber law is not constrained to one law. There are compilation of another law which gives you the protection for your infringement right.